Hi and welcome back. Also, happy Halloween. Today we're going to make a drawing of a pumpkin by using the churchill module from Python. The churchill module is already built in, so we can simply import it like this. This is the first time I'm using the churchill module in this channel, so leave me in the comments if you would like for me to create a course on how to use the churchill module. Also, don't forget to join the Discord community so you can ask me questions directly and access special coupons for my paid courses. Okay, the second step is to create a window. So we do this by saying turtle.screen. Now we have a window where we can draw things, and the next step is to create a turtle. So a turtle is like a pencil, and people tend to name it like Tina or Alex. I really don't know why, but let's stick to that convention. So we're going to name our turtle Tina and create an instance of a turtle. Now we can give Tina the shape of a real turtle, and we do this with Tina.shape_turtle. Otherwise, it's going to be like an arrow by default, I think. Now, we can start drawing the pumpkin. So, this is going to be the pumpkin. Let's say Tina.penup, so this helps us to not leave a trace of the pencil. Now we can go to these specific coordinates and we can establish a color. So, we're going to establish an orange, so the hexadecimal for that color is FF6600, and I have this extension of Visual Studio Code that helps me see the color. Now we're going to begin fill, and now we can draw a circle with Tina.circle and with a radius of 150. Now we're going to end the fill, and we're going to say to Tina to turn to the left by 180 degrees. Now we can see the result of this, but first we have to say window.exit onclick, otherwise the window is going to close after the circle has been drawn. Now we can click on this button to run the Python file in terminal, and there you can see Tina drawing the circle, and at the end it turned to the left by 180 degrees. Okay, now we're going to make the teeth of the pumpkin, and in order to do that, let's create a function to help us to draw triangles, and it's going to be called draw triangle. It's going to receive x and y as the initial coordinates and the color. So we're going to say Tina.penup. Now Tina, go to x and y, and Tina.beginFill, and Tina.establish the color that we pass, and now start to leave a trace with pen down. And in this for loop, we're going to draw the sides of the triangle. So we're going to say, hey Tina, go forward 50 units and turn to the left by 120 degrees. Finally, end the fill. So let's test the teeth. So this is going to be the teeth, and we're going to say draw a triangle, and we're going to establish the initial coordinates so you can play with this. I have already the coordinates for you, and we're going to establish the color to be white, so the teeth are going to be white. So let's see the result of this. So there's Tina, and so I had a typo here, it's Tina here. Okay, now let's test this again. There's Tina, and now it draw the first teeth. So we can draw more teeth. So let's actually copy and paste this. Okay, and the coordinates are going to be this. I mean, you can play with this, and I have already these coordinates for you. And finally, let's make Tina left, turn to the left, again 180 degrees. Okay, let's see the result. There's Tina drawing the teeth. Oh, okay, so I had a typo here, it's -20. Okay, again. There's Tina. Okay, so those are the teeth of the pumpkin. Now let's make the eyes of the pumpkin. The eyes are going to be, actually we're going to use the same draw triangle function 2 times, and we're going to pass these coordinates -70, 50, and 0, 50. Okay, so let's see. Those are the teeth, and those are the eyes. Okay, so we are almost over. Now we need to make the stump of the pumpkin, and for that we're going to make a square. Draw a square function. And again, it's going to receive x and y and the color. And actually, this is going to be repeated, so let's copy and paste it. And now we're going to do in this for loop, we're going to draw the sides of the square. Okay, so we're going to tell Tina go forward by 50 units and turn to the left 90 degrees. Finally, end the fill. Okay, so let's make the stump of the pumpkin. The stump, and say draw a square, and we're going to pass these coordinates -20, 125, and we're going to make this color. Make it this color 663300. Okay, so let's see the results. Those are the teeth, the eyes, and the stump. Okay, fine. So that's our pumpkin, and we can finish it by saying Happy Halloween. So I know I'm not a great drawer, but I'm doing my best. Tina.pinup, Tina.go to these coordinates, and Tina.write Happy Halloween. And let's give a font of Arial with a size of 24 and normal. Finally, well, I think that's all. Let's see. Let's draw in the teeth, the eyes, the stump, and Happy Halloween. Okay, so that's everything for this video. I hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.